you gotta check out the extra large men's big black wide frame sunglasses by grinderPUNCH. The super dark lenses on these bad boys shield your eyes and provide excellent UV protection. Not to mention, this is the most popular men's sunglass style. These are definitely made for larger, wider heads like mine. And I love to wear them outside when I'm playing sports. They're great. Did I mention the thousands of positive reviews? People are talking about the quality and affordability of these sunglasses. Get yours today.